Tolf, and I'm going to show you how to play the game Headbanz, which you can use with flashcards, really of anything. Sight words, could be things like phonemic awareness, math equations, whatever you're learning about, you can play the game Headbanz. The first thing you're going to do is make a whole bunch of sight words. Today I thought we would learn either beginning sounds or maybe some blending or maybe even some rhyming. Next you're going to just give the kids some clues. You can write them on a whiteboard or some different cards that they can use to give examples of the guessing game. Next you turn the cards upside down in a pile, and one of the partners takes turns without looking putting the card up on their head, and the other person gives them clues. For example, they might say something like, this word starts with p and ends with ain, or it rhymes with gain, or it has a p in the beginning and a n in the end, or you might even give examples of what the word means. If you want to get competitive, you can even set a timer or watch the clock. I find that kids love this game. You can play with many players. You can choose your flashcards, whatever you like, and mix it up. It's lots of fun and really engaging for kids. So I hope you have fun playing. The Headbanz game.